Hi, today with my short presentation, I will share 3 basic things you can do when you notice or experience that your computer is slowing down. By the way, I am using Windows 7 as my operating system. The first one is an install or remove program tool. Too much application or programs installed in the hard drives will definitely slow down your computer, especially when you only have a small amount of memory. By uninstalling or removing unnecessary programs will improve drive performance and access time. Doing this, simply go to Start menu, Control Panel, Install Program, and select the program or software that you are no longer using. Like for me, I think I'll no longer use this Yahoo software update. Select it, right click, and install, and click again and install to confirm. Or you can do the shortcut. Simply go again to Start menu button, type uninstall, then install program. Doing the same thing, select the programs that you want to remove and uninstall. Like this one, and uninstall. That's it. The second thing is by using disk cleanup. Disk cleanup to free up disk spaces by deleting unnecessary files stored on your disk. It will help your computer run faster. To do this, simply go to Start menu, Computer, your local drive C, right click, Properties, and click Disk Cleanup. Calculating how much space you will be able to free might take a few seconds or a minute. And here are the unnecessary files you have in your drive. You can see here that it has 1.32 gigabytes of data that you can free when you remove or delete this. Simply click OK, then confirming delete files. That's it. We're now done in this cleanup. One best thing you should do is defragment your hard disk. It rearranges or consolidates the fragmented data so your disks and drives can work more efficiently. This defragment automatically defragments your hard drive on a weekly basis, but you can choose to run it manually. One reason you might want to do this is if you have external hard drive that's not always connected to your computer. To do this, simply click the Start button and then search disk defragment, and select the drive that you want to be defragmented and simply click defragment disk. You can see here it's running. Just wait for it until it's finished, and that's it. Also, by disabling unwanted startup programs or services, you can speed up the startup process of your computer. Go to Start button, type msconfig.exe to open program. Click this one and go to Startup tab, and these are the startup programs that you have. Just disable all unnecessary startup by selecting, then clicking disable and press OK, and that's it. You can speed up or improve the startup process of your computer. Before I end this short presentation, I will share to you some information about Google. Have you heard about Doodle? Over the years, Doodles on Google homepage have made searching on Google more fun and enjoyable for its users worldwide. When Doodles were first created, nobody had anticipated how popular and integral they would become to the Google search experience. Nowadays, many users excitedly anticipate the release of each new doodle, and some even collect them. Doodles are known as the decorative changes that are made to the Google logo to celebrate holidays, anniversaries, and lives of famous artists and scientists. The Doodle team never fails to find artistic ways to celebrate these unique events. Having a little bit of fun with the corporate logo by redesigning their doodle from time to time is unheard at many companies, but at Google, it is part of the brand. While the doodle is primarily a fun way for the company to recognize events and notable people, it also illustrates the creative and innovative personality of the company itself. Over time, the demand for doodles the demand for doodles quickly rose both in the US and internationally. Creating doodles is now the responsibility of the team of talented designers. For them, creating doodles has become a team effort to enliven the Google homepage and bring smiles to myriad of Google users worldwide. Over 300 doodles for Google.com in the US and over 700 had been designed internationally. What's new in Google is that they use Doodle for Google Competition, an event where they can invite young people, open to all students, to design the Google logo in their very own style based on a different theme, here in the US and internationally. Using these events to benefit creative young students by giving college scholarships, big amount of money, technology grant for new computer lab at schools for those who will win the contest. That's it for today. I hope it helps you. Uh, Thank you. Bye bye.